forfeited duties as a champion. That means the next person to beat the Elite Four is the next champion, Percy. You are the new champion of Turnod. But first we must register you in the Hall of Fame. Ben, follow me. Yes, we are going to get in the Hall of Fame. This is the Hall of Fame where the champions of Turnod League are recorded for prosperity. Place your Pokemons here so we can record the party you have worked with to get this far. Yes! Let's go! What? Was this all a... 1 minute? No, it was not a dream. What the... Willow, congrats! I knew you would be champion after all. Albeit unofficially, but people still consider you a champion. Anyway, listen, my good friend Professor Oak and his student just flew in from the Johto region, and I think you would benefit from meeting them. You can probably find them in the Southerly City airport if you want to go look for them. In the meantime, I have experiments to run. Goodbye and congrats. Oh we are the champion, guys. Can you believe it? I cannot believe that we are the champion. 1 minute. Let's heal our Pokemon. Okay, let's go to the airport. Where is the airport? I don't know. Okay, these 2-level Tailosteel disturbs a 77 level brick. Oh my. Anyways, let's go. Rails? In here? Okay. 1 minute. I can just do this also. Start Pokemon. Uri. Fly. Where is the airport? Southerly Airport. Then it must be in Southerly City only. Let's go to Southerly City. Now where is the airport? I guess it would be... You can only over... Oh, sorry, this is not... Put your building metal. No. Where is the airport here? This is not airport. 1 minute. Where is the airport? I also want to go to the airport. 1 minute. Where is the airport? Oh, you want to go to Johto, but you don't know the way of airport. Southerly City Airport. Yes. Let's go. Ah, you must be Ben, correct? My name is Professor Oak, expert on everything Pokemon, and of course, this is my wonderful student, Chris. I decided to bring her along to see the Turnod region. Tell me, Ben, is it true that Espeon live in the nearby forest? Oh, I must go and see that. Goodbye. Oh, that Professor Oak, always on the run. Anyway, my name is Chris. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you, champion of Turnod. I have an idea. How about you travel to Johto region? I am sure you would love it as much as I do. Here, take this. Obtain the plane ticket. Oh, if you present that ticket in the nice man near the runaway, he will take you right on the to Johto. Take care. Okay, I got this. But where is the nice man? We have a plane on run times. Absolutely sure. Anyone who needs to fly can fly. That's our guarantee. Where? Where is the runaway? Oh, here it is. I see you have a plane ticket. Would you like to fly to Johto? Listen, yes, of course, let's fly. Yay! Guide Gent. Welcome to Johto Region, traveler. I am the guide Gent, and it's my job to direct new trainers to where they need to. Oh, I am recording, okay. Need to begin their journey. You will want to start off by getting a starter Pokemon from Professor Elm. Just head that way to out of the town until you get to the new Bark town. Don't try going to Route 30 beforehand either. Okay, no problem. This way, right? What? Why can't I travel? Should I? No. Which way was he talking about? Means I don't know. Okay. Oh, this way. Okay. Let's see which Pokemons are here. Level 39 Pidgeot. Should I need Pidgeot? Nah. I already have Uri in my team. Uri, Uri, Uri. Uri. Level 45 Pidgeot. Guys, this... I seriously want to catch this Pidgeot. Should I? Okay, I want to catch this Pidgeot. Pikachu, go. Thunderbolt. Alright, no! Pikachu is kinda overpowered. That's why I guess I will not harm these Pokemon. What is this? Okay, this is a path. And what? Oh! So these are the berry trees. Okay. Run for... Okay, you might have covered every tunnel, but I am the turnout champion. You got it? Turnout champion. Yeah, your streak ended. What the? Teleportation system is offline. What? What is this? Johto Gate House. Route 46, mountain ahead. No, not this one. I guess I need to go this way. Level 40 ferret. No ways I am catching this ferret. Yep. One minute. I want to see the map. Eradicate, level 45. No ways, I am not going to catch this. You 29. Okay, Newburgh Town. No problem at all. Chris's house, not this one. Ethan's house, nope. Where is Professor M's house? Which one is Professor M's house? Oh, sorry. M Pokemon Lab. Okay. Chili. Look who's here, the Slowpoke, late as usual. Uh, this is Silver, one of the best battlers in Johto region. He even went on his own journey as a few years ago, right? It seems to meet you. Don't mind Chili. She's mostly just jealous because you and Percy got the champions while she didn't. That was the league calling. They need me to get back to my gym and face a challenger. Goodbye, Ben, and take care of yourself, little sis. Chili is. What? A gym leader's sister? Isn't my bro something? It's because of his travels and that I decided to travel on my own in turnout after all. Well, I guess you will be getting your starter. I remember when I chose Chikorita as mine. You better not choose Chikorita. Also, sigh around, Slowpoke. What do you mean? I will choose Chikorita now. She angered me. You must be Ben, correct? Chris told me about you. Might show up. I have a gift for you, but you need a space for your party for it. You can use PC to make me. Yeah, no problem. Whom do I keep? I must not keep Lucario. Or should I? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? It has been a great time with you. But now I am gonna keep you here. Big Tinny. Hey. Oh my. You guys thought that I will keep Lucario? Never. He was my first starter Pokemon, whatever. Ah, you must be Ben, right? Okay. Chikorita, no. Yeah, Cyndaquil, yes. Obtain the Cyndaquil. Will you give nickname to Cyndaquil? 1 minute. You chose Cyndaquil, excellent choice. I must say, if you are looking for the best place to start, I head to Violet City and challenge the gym leader there. Just head north out of the Cherry Grove and you will make it in no time. Good luck, Ben. Okay, thank you, Professor. I am not a beginner, so don't mess with me. Oh, you will? Then take this. '78 level, very good. Yeah, 1 minute.